Imagine an employee needs a specific change at work due to a medical condition. How far does an employer have to go to provide that help, especially when resources might be tight? For employers, undue hardship refers to an accommodation that would requiring significant difficulty or expense. It is a legal term that limits an employer's obligation to provide a reasonable accommodation under laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act. The determination of undue hardship is made on a case-by-case basis, and it involves a thorough look at several key factors. These include the nature and net cost of the accommodation needed, considering available tax credits and deductions. It also takes into account the overall financial resources of the specific facility or facilities involved in providing the accommodation, the number of people employed there, and the effect on expenses and resources. Furthermore, the overall financial resources of the employer, considering its parent company or entity if applicable, are assessed. The type of operation, including the structure, functions, and geographical separateness of the employer's facilities, is also a factor. Lastly, the impact of the accommodation upon the operation of the facility, including the ability of other employees to perform their duties and the facility's ability to conduct business, is considered. Employers typically engage in an interactive process with the employee to identify effective accommodations before evaluating hardship. This collaborative discussion is crucial for exploring various solutions. Only after exploring these options would an employer formally assess if any remaining proposed accommodation truly presents an undue hardship based on the detailed criteria. It is important to remember that the standard for proving undue hardship is quite high. Minor inconveniences or costs that do not significantly impact the business are generally not considered undue hardship. This ensures that the spirit of the law, which promotes inclusivity and equal opportunity, is upheld. Most accommodations are actually quite inexpensive or even cost nothing at all. Understanding undue hardship helps both employers and employees navigate the process of workplace accommodation with clarity and fairness. It ensures that while businesses are protected from truly burdensome demands, employees with disabilities receive the support they need to thrive professionally, fostering an inclusive and productive work environment for everyone.